So I was working with one of my business coaches, and we were working on committing in my business. You'll see me tapping on myself, working on my resistance to committing to doing 3 little videos for 3 weeks so that I can demonstrate a little bit about tapping and how it works and why it might be useful to you. So whether you're struggling with commitment in your business or elsewhere, you might be able to follow along. I encourage you to tap along with me. And if you need to, you might want to watch it one time through and then tap along and change the words where mine don't quite fit your situation. Just alter them, but this will be a little guide for you. Tapping works really well when it's most specific to you. So I encourage you to always do that, whether you're following along with my videos or someone else's. And I hope it's something that helps you. It sure helped me. So enjoy. And we are talking about my business. And I found myself in need of tapping. You know, this is where the rubber meets the road, that we're talking about something that I would like to commit to. And I could sense that I was getting nervous about it, and that there's a part of me that wants to do it and part of me doesn't want to do it. Maybe this could be helpful. So I'm just going to start out here. Even though part of me wants to commit to doing something regularly in my business, and I know it would be helpful for myself and for my clients and for anyone that hears it. But there's another part of me that's afraid that I'll fail. And I deeply and completely love and accept all parts of myself. I might fail. If I commit, I might fail. If I don't commit, well, then I can't fail. So why commit? I can feel my heart pounding just at the thought of a commitment. I don't want to commit. I don't want to commit. I'm not going to commit. I'm just not going to commit. I'm not going to do it. That strategy has worked for me for a while. I've been able to get by without committing, and I can actually do pretty well without commitments. And just the thought of that commitment takes my breath away. I can feel my heart pounding. No way, no how am I going to make a commitment. Except I'm at a point in my business where I would like to expand and draw in more people. And one of the ways that I could do this is to create some simple short videos. Just short and easy to do. Showing people how to tap, showing them why it works, going through things that cause people not to do it because they don't know what to say. Look at me go right now. I'm just free forming. And that's one of the things that anyone can do. Maybe I could do it too. Because this stuff works. All of a sudden, my heart's not pounding. I can breathe. Well, it stopped a little bit, but I did get a deep breath in. And I can safely take another one in and let it out. And I'm okay. And I'm okay to commit to doing 3 little videos per week. And all is well. I'm safe to do 3 videos. It's okay. I'm okay. And if I don't do it, it won't be the end of the world. But what if I do it? I'd like to find out. So this is the first of more to come soon. Thank you.